Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the on-off switch in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Torx 20 and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new on-off switch and a protective insulation. The on-off switch activates power to the dishwasher's control module. If none of the LED lights come on or turns off when the switch is pushed in or out, the on-off switch should be checked and replaced if needed. Open the door. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 6 screws that hold the outer door, 3 on each side. Close the door and pull the outer panel down and out to remove it. If one or both bottom spacers falls out, simply put it back on. Open the door again and using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 6 screws that hold the control panel. Remove the panel. Press the locking tabs and disconnect the wire plug from the on-off switch. Using the flat blade screwdriver, bend down the metal tab that secures the on-off switch. Slide the switch forward to release it from the mounting bracket. Turn the switch clockwise for 90 degrees and remove the connecting rod. This is the old on-off switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Hook up the connecting rod to the new on-off switch and turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise to lock the rod in. Slide the switch into the cutouts all the way. Using the flat blade screwdriver, bend the metal tab up to secure the switch. Connect the on-off switch plug. Peel off the stripe and attach the protective shield to the bracket. Install the control panel on the inner door and secure it with the 6 Torx 20 screws. Install the outer door panel and secure it to the inner door with the 6 Torx 20 screws. Now we can close the door, plug the dishwasher in, and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.